What if you could reach your customer in the exact moment they decide to start their next project and see them in store the same week? This winter, BUCO needed to stand out in a crowded market during peak DIY season, building awareness and driving foot traffic. BUCO needed to meet customers where they are, in-store and online. Use placements that drive footfall and awareness, and leverage innovative ads that build mental availability. We built a connected 3-channel ecosystem. Mira's YouTube Shorts captured attention in relevant DIY videos. Mira's OpenWeb reinforced the message alongside matching articles. Blis in-app targeted shoppers near stores to drive visits. Pivoting from conversion to awareness, we shifted campaign objective to awareness-focused ad placements, prioritizing upper funnel platforms to drive interest and in-store visits, and then selected a partner for their specialized footfall and video targeting capabilities. By connecting with homeowners and DIY enthusiasts at the exact moment they begin considering a project, positioning BUCO as their go-to top-of-mind partner for any building or renovation needs, intelligently inserting our brand into their digital DIY moments, using location-based technology to highlight our real-world convenience and expertise. Our key measurements for success: reach, engagement, and real outcome measurement. Every channel carried the same creative DNA, consistent visuals tailored to format, moving people from inspiration to action in a seamless journey. Across 4 months, BUCO turned cross-channel synergy into real-world action, driving over 8,300 incremental store visits, achieving up to 76% video completion rates, and proving that inspiration online can lead directly to in-store results. By meeting customers where they were online in the right moment, we didn't just build awareness, we built real-world action. BUCO Winter and DIY Audience Omnichannel Campaign, turning moments into measurable footfall.